My dear brothers and sisters, we are entering into the Holy Week. Palm Sunday is a victory parade, but this year there is no external procession. Only in the church the palms are going to be blessed, and the Palm Sunday Mass going to be held in the closed church of Our Lady of Velangani main altar with poor people. We pray for your families and for our nation. It is very hard for us to accept the reality of not going to the church during this Holy Week. But our Pope Francis advised us to safeguard yourself and follow the direction of the government officials in order to safeguard the nation, safeguard the people. Our Bishop also instructed us to follow the local government laws so that we can be able to enrich the people in a safer and security atmosphere. The Holy Week celebrations are going to be happen in a closed church, and we are praying for the nation and for the world, and we are praying to Our Lady of Good Health so that she can intercede to her Son Jesus Christ to eradicate the killing virus, and so that people can be able to have peace of mind and body. And we are offering special prayers and wear the cross and rosaries. And every day after 6 o'clock Mass, the Eucharistic adoration is performed there till the evening, 8 o'clock. One after one priest be in the presence of the Lord to praise and intercede to Mother Mary and Jesus for the safe and security of the world, especially healing power of the Lord to the sick people of coronavirus, and requesting the Lord to save the nation but not spreading the disease. At the same time, we are praying the people, please obey the duties and responsibilities as a nation, as a citizen, and you are called upon to be witnesses of gospel values according to the signs of the time. The signs of the time is requiring us to be safe in our family, not having interaction with others, and giving the atmosphere a healthy atmosphere so that the coronavirus may not spread among us and others. And we hear with a heart of sorrows and pain because we are not able to see you here in person, but we are placing all of your families at Our Lady's altar. And may Our Lady of Good Health be the protector, be the counselor, be the guide to you, and touch you and heal you. May she intercede to her Son Jesus Christ for your welfare of your family. Be healthy, be happy. The Lord is with you.